This is it. We have made it to the final assignment. We will not have a regular final. We have this as our final. So think about over the last few weeks, everything that we've talked about, everything that you've kind of realized that impacts clothing, especially in this last module, module 15, those videos, those pieces of information about that fast fashion. There's just really so many things that happen every single week in the world that we can look back and tie in fashion to it. So, what we're doing first, you've got two parts. First is to go in and view the assigned readings and videos. Then you're going to select an article from one of the module readings and review that. Take notes while reading this, okay? Next, you're going to find your own article, and this can be from online, from social media. I find a ton of good ones that are shared through that, magazines, blogs, etc., that indicate something either controversial or environmental, social, or another concern that's related to the fashion or apparel industry. I've given you a few examples here in this assignment. So then you're going to come back to a document and you are going to reflect on the following about the article that you chose, the article that you found in number 3. Okay, what's the main information in this article that you chose to read? Do you think that there is an issue represented? If yes, are people aware of this? I know that I just had a friend this week talk about Shein, and some of you I know purchase from there, but maybe after you watch that video talking about the toxic chemicals that they have in the children's apparel, you'll rethink it just like my friend did because she had no idea. She was putting that stuff on her kids. Okay, C is going to be what can you do to spread awareness or possibly promote a change in this issue. If you pick something where there's not really a change needed, why do you think it's relevant to the fashion industry or consumers then? D, what issues do you think are the most important currently that the fashion industry can address? Do you think it's that we can target fast fashion because it impacts so many people? Do you think we need to look at more adaptive apparel options? Okay, so in that reflection, you are doing this on the article that you found on your own, not one of mine that you reviewed. Okay, then you'll share the link, document or upload your article, and really think about these things. Really tie back in some stuff from our modules that we've had. So that's number 1. Then you're going to submit this in module 15 to this current issue's final assignment link. Part 2 is going to be a discussion board. After you submit your reflection to the assignment link, you're really going to post something similar as what you did in the assignment to that discussion board to let other people see your article. Many of you are going to find very different articles. You're not all going to pick the same one. So that's what makes this really cool is because we're learning about so many different issues over the course of this assignment and discussion post. So share your article, summarize what it was about, discuss the issue that you found, either good or bad. Some of these things are not bad, some are good. How does it relate back to our course? And then for full credit, you'll need to respond to at least one person, more than just a response of I agree or disagree. This is due at the end of the semester, so I hope that you can tie in some of the stuff we've talked about from all of our modules. This is the final assignment. Please do not forget to do this and respond back to a person. So part 1, part 2, current issues, module 15. If you have any questions, let me know.